An up-close look at the Shear hedge trimmer set here. Comes in this nice green container here, all hard shell plastic. It's got these 2 hinges clips right here that open up really easy here, safe and secure here, so keep this locked up. So you open it up here and everything fits in here really nicely. You got the 2 batteries, you got the hedge trimmer right here. It's got the protective metal sleeve on here. You've got the grass clipper right here with the protective metal sleeve on there. And then you have the power cord here, and then you have the main unit here. So this is a really nice item here. It's got a 15-degree tilt on here, so you could get it positioned how you want it, and it's got the safety switch right here. So what I like about this is everything fits in here really nicely, closes up really good, and you could carry this around really easy. Bought some other products like this, and kind of like a cordless drill where the drill never fits back in there, and where the batteries don't fit in the hard shell case. I had a cordless drill. I ended up having to buy like a canvas case for it because the hard shell case just did not work. But this is one thing I really like about this here. You could just seal it up nice and easy, carry it around, and it just works really well. We do property management for short-term rental properties, so we do some basic landscaping ourselves, and this tool has come in very handy. I just used it to cut some round hedges. I'm going to be using it for a blue spruce very soon, and I just really like it. It's a really nice tool. The batteries last, they're rated for about 60 minutes, so that's really good that you have 2 of them here. And again, very easy to use this tool. It's got the safety features here, so you could definitely make sure it's going to be safe and secure. And definitely want to check one of these out. If you're looking for a hedge trimmer set, this is a really great item. Highly recommend picking one of these up.